Hello, my name is Mariano González Roglic. I'm Director of Ecosystem Analysis at Conservation International, and I lead the development of Trends.Earth, a tool that we created at CI to support land degradation analysis in support of the UNCCD and Sustainable Development Goal 15.3.1. So we're very excited by the competition that was recently launched by the GEO-LDN, which has the objective of designing a land use planning solution for land degradation neutrality. So this international technology innovation competition has the objective of finding a project that will design and build software to assist land use planning in the context of LDN. And if you have read the description of the call, entries must find a way to connect or be integrated somehow with our tool. This could be either through using the outputs that we produce or linkaging through the back end of the tool or developing code that could be used then to enhance the functionalities that we have within Trends.Earth. So in this very short video, I want to walk you through briefly what is Trends.Earth and then where you can find the resources that hopefully will help you through this process. And we're really excited to really learn more about your ideas. So Trends.Earth is a QGIS plugin. It's a tool that users use to produce this analysis of land degradation for the three sub-indicators that SDG 15.3.1 has: changes in primary productivity, changes in land cover, and changes in soil organic carbon. And the user interacts with the tool through a QGIS plugin. But Trends.Earth is much more than that. Most of the analyses that are run, in particular the ones that are running with the global default data sets, are running Google Earth Engine. So Trends.Earth combines the power of cloud computing with the easy of use of a free and open source QGIS software like QGIS. So you can use the plugin to produce the assessments using these global data sets, or if you have your own local data, for example, land cover, soil organic carbon, you can ingest those also into QGIS, into Trends.Earth, to run the analysis using the same methodology in a consistent way. So the analysis is going to produce geospatial outputs, maps, and then also tabular outputs, which are very, very convenient for reporting. So you have a breakout of the different areas, what this means in terms of carbon, in terms of each of the sub-indicators, and finally you get tables which are formatted exactly in the same way as it's required for the reporting. So some resources which I think would be useful for you as you're trying to learn a little bit more about Trends.Earth. I think first of all, of course, the website. So if you just type Trends.Earth in your browser, it's going to bring you to our website, and we try to put there as much information and in different languages as possible. So this is the landing page. If you want to start learning a little bit more about how the indicators are computed, you can go to the section on sub-indicator 15.3.1, and there you have a narrative description and some graphics on how each of the indicators are computed. Then if you scroll down, we put a lot of effort into producing these step-by-step guidelines. So these are tutorials for you to install the tool, run the different analyses, and interpret it. So I think this could be a good starting point for anyone who wants to learn a little bit more about Trends.Earth. Then there's a frequently asked questions where we try to put some of the most common questions. And the first one that you see here is the user group that we created. It's a Google group where we're trying to create a community where users can share, in many cases, problems, but also solutions, ideas for improvements and things like that. So please, we encourage you to join the group and to make use of the resources there. For those of you in the call interested in applying for this land use planning call, I'm sure you're going to be interested in the development part of Trends.Earth. So we have a section there where you can understand a little bit better sort of the architecture of the tool, how we link with Google Earth Engine, how we produce the analysis and the summaries. And here you have the links, of course, to GitHub repositories where you can directly explore the tool, either the tool for these linkages between APIs and also the actual code running the analysis. I think that's all I had to share with you at this point. Again, we're super excited about your interest in this call, and don't hesitate to contact us if you have any questions or ideas. You can do that either through our user group, the Trends.Earth users at Google, or directly via email at trends.earth@conservation.org.